finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. The given is 4, 9, 14, 19, 24, etc. So these are the terms. Our first term is labeled as a sub 1. We're first to find the common difference by subtracting a sub 2 minus a sub 1, such as 9 minus 4 will give you 5. 5 is the common difference. Let us use the guide form to be able to find the nth term. The a here is the common difference. The b value can be obtained by a sub 1 minus common difference, such that a sub 1 is 4 minus 5. Therefore, the b value is negative 1. So let us now form the nth term. So our a here is 5. Our b value is negative 1. So therefore, the nth term is a sub n equals 5n minus 1. Let us try finding a sub 3. Which is here, we have 40. Let us try if we are going to have the same. So 5 times 3 equals 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1 equals 14. We got the same answer. A sub 3 equals 14.